Okay, I want to show you how to add categories and tags to your menus. First thing, we're going to add a new post. Let's say this is just our test post. And we have a new category. Let's say you've decided to do something, like somebody's going to write a column for you, Joe. So we have Joe's column, might be a new category of post. And you can add that. Of course, you can add a new category up here in the categories area under the post, but it's easy to do on the fly while you're writing a post right here. Same thing with tags. And this is probably the simplest way to categorize different types of parts so people can find everything that's been written about spokes. Say Joe wrote about spokes along with tires and seat posts. And we can add those like that. If you ever want to see what other tags you've used, you can open this and it will give them to you, and you could add that, say wheels. We'll just add that, and that way you can, a little easier way to do it, prevent you from spelling a tag two different ways. Let's say we had done seat post as 2 words, it would have added that as a separate tag, and so then you end up with 2 seat post tags, and that's just something to be aware of. That's one of the drawbacks of tags, but other than that, they're really flexible. So we've done that, we've added the tags. We're just going to save this now. Well, let's go ahead and publish it. You don't have to publish it to actually take this next step of adding items to the menu. You can just save it as a draft. But we just want to be able to see it on the site. So there's our test post. Now we're going to go to menus. We'll just go to the dashboard first. Probably know where this is. You go to the appearance menu and then menus. This is easy to do. First, you want to make sure you're on the right menu. There's 2 menus. Store categories, of course, is that mega flyout menu with all the links to the store. Browse is the header menu. That's the one we want. Now, in the left here, you see all of these little windows that these are things we can add to the menu. Links, pages, categories, tags, formats. If there's something there if you're not seeing tags or categories, make sure you go up here, screen options, and you can select the things that you want to show. Posts is the only one we don't have showing up right now. That would just give me a list of actual posts. You could create menu items that link you directly to specific posts. So once we have that, we come down to categories, Joe's column. If you don't see something showing up here, it only shows you a certain number of the most recently ones you've used. You can do view all, and that will show you everything. Joe's column, we want to add that. It just pops in here at the bottom. And the tags, the ones we just added, were tires, seat posts, and spokes. But let's say that we didn't want to add spokes for some reason. That's why it's set up this way. Not every tag or category that you create automatically becomes a menu item, and there may be reasons why you don't want to do certain ones. You don't want them to appear in the menu. So we'll take those 2, pops them in there, and now we just put these wherever we want them. Right now they're going to show up as new top-level menu items, so we don't want that. So our top-level items are categories, gear, and participate. So we're going to take Joe's column, just drag and drop, and these are basically arranged alphabetically. So we put Joe's column. Tires, we're going to bring into the gear menu, and the same with seat posts. Now make sure you get this set up in the second level. It's just indented, 1 space. As you move these around, it will let you indent them. So seat posts at this point would be in a 3rd level, so it would basically drop down when you hovered over rims. The menu is not really set up to do a 3rd level very well. I'm not actually sure how that would look, but if you ever need that sometime, you can do it. But in the meantime, make sure you have everything set up one indent in. When you're here at this one, it's easy to get it as a top level also, so make sure that's indented one. And that's it. And then make sure you save the menu down here in the lower right, otherwise it won't take. And that's that. Now we want to go to the site. we see our new post here, Joe's column. Category, Joe's column is showing up, and it should give us that one post, just like that. And then under gear, we now have seat posts and tires showing up. And we select that, and it shows us that same post. And here we can see the tags, tag the seat post, spokes, tires, wheels, and posted in Joe's column. So that's all there is to it.